What's going on, guys? So today I have a gift. I have an Amazon gift, as you can see from the Amazon gift bag. This is from KingPandas Vlogs, which I greatly appreciate. I already took a peek inside. It's pretty exciting. It's something actually a lot of you guys were suggesting. So I thought it was really cool that he hooked me up with one so I can try it out. So with no further ado, let's open the special bag here and see what we got going on inside. I will give you a clue. It is Zippo related. So, what do you think it is? Look at that, PyroVault. So, obviously you guys have seen that I'm doing some Zippo testing with the gasket. This is a airtight solution for your Zippo. Now, I've seen these before. I've actually seen these for a long time now, but I just never tried one out before. I mean, these cost like 30 bucks or so. So it's really cool that I actually have one now to try out. I love the idea of it, but I'll tell you right off the bat, it's not a Zippo anymore. It's just a Zippo type lighter. Obviously, you can use the Zippo inserts. If you want to, you can even use the aftermarket butane inserts for these as well. You know, clearly, if it is actually airtight, it will certainly, you know, work to keep that fuel in there for a much longer period of time. But like I said, you just lose the overall Zippo feel to it. However, if you like the inserts on a Zippo and how they function and everything, but you do want to conserve that fuel, let's say you are using them every day for smoking cigarettes or lighting something else or whatever, you know, might be something you're interested in. So very, very cool to try. You can see, made in the USA. So thank you very much. I do appreciate the thoughtful gift. This is very generous of you. I'm going to put a link down in the description box for you to check out his videos. He does also make YouTube videos. But yeah, we're going to be trying this out in the future. So stay tuned for that. So that's it for this one. Just a quick little heads up. If you guys have these, you can let me know down below what you think of yours if you use them for a long time. I'm not sure if I'll do like a whole testing series with this or not, but I will certainly use it and eventually do like a review, my thoughts and stuff on it. So that's it for now. Hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.